Welcome back to Liz's Lifestyle. If it's your very first time to watch this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit on the notification bell below so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Welcome. So today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use the Saladmaster machine. This one right here. You can detach this right here. And right here it's detachable. So there are two parts. There is the base and there is this one, the top. So you just attach it in here like this. You slide it in here. So I'll just slide it in here like so. Then it comes with 5 cones. So cone number 1, number 2, up to cone number 5. Cone number 1 is a shredder because it's written SH. SH1 is the shredder. ST2 is a stringer. FF3 is a French fry cutter. Number 4 is a slicer. It's SL4. And then WA5 is a waffle cutter. So I'm gonna stand on the side like this so I can show you how I do shred the carrots. So you can shred carrots and you can shred cheese. I'm gonna go right ahead and use the shredder, which is SH1, the cone number 1. So whenever I attach it onto the Saladmaster machine, I have to be careful not to cut my finger or my thumb. So I will just hold it like this and then insert it right here like this. Then I just move the handle just a little bit and it attaches itself like so. So I'll just demonstrate how I do my cheeses. This is cheddar cheese. So I usually buy the block and then I shred it myself. It's easier and it's healthier. So that's how it shreds the cheese. And it's also a good arm workout. So you get your freshly shredded cheese like so. So because I don't want to cut my finger, so the little cheese that is left, I just put it inside the feeder and I close it. I hold it like there and I just shred. And then because it's safer to hold the inside, I can safely put in my fingers and just scrape off the leftover cheese from the cone. But the outside is very sharp, so you have to be very careful not to cut your finger. This is surgical blade and it's really sharp. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to do the carrots, to shred the carrots. So I just use the same shredder, cone number 1, and I shred my carrots like that. You notice I'm holding the carrot by the palm of my hand. I'm not trying to hold it like this because it's risky and I can cut my finger. So I just grab it by the palm like this. And then when it gets to the end, I put it in the feeder like so. And I continue shredding. See? Let's move on to cone number 2, which is the stringer. So the stringer, you can use it to shred to string your like zucchini or even carrots. You can see it's so beautiful. So if you want to make zucchini strings, you make it like this. And then the last one, you insert it in the feeder, and as simple as that. So corn number 3 is the French fry cutter. So I'll just hold the potato like this with the palm of my hand. And this is your French fry cutter. You can even cut your carrots if you want to put them in the stews, like beef stew or chicken stew. Let's move on to corn number 4. Corn number 4 is your slicer, SL4. This will cut your cucumber in a few seconds, and you have your cucumber salad if you're making salad. So you can make a nice vegetable salad. Corn number 4, the SL4, the slicer, you can use it to cut your cabbage. You just have to hold it with a little pressure so it can cut your cabbage. Like so. You notice, like, most of the time we usually throw away this, and this is where all the nutrients lie. So with the Saladmaster machine, I'm able to cut this part right here, and I don't have to throw it away. So with it, I can still slice it, and it's still nutritious. Corn number 4, the slicer, can also slice celery. So I'll hold it like this. And you'll notice something here, the back side of this celery where the strings are. This will just help you take out the strings so easily, like this. So corn number 5 is the waffle cutter. So this is an apple. It can cut, if you're making like fruit salad, it can cut beautiful shapes of your apple. Like so. So if you like the Saladmaster machine and you like to earn it, you can earn it for free. All you have to do is leave a comment on the comment section, and I'll guide you. If you live in America and within the territory of the USA, I can guide you on how to earn this Saladmaster machine, because we don't sell it. To clean the machine is easy. You can wipe this down or hand clean it, or put it in the dishwasher. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit on the subscribe button below. Don't also forget to hit on the notification button, the bell below, so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, it's bye.